Do you know the number one thing that kills creativity on the job? Worry. Worrying about clients, contracts, deadlines, and whether you'll be blamed if something goes wrong. As a videographer, you're not just capturing footage, you're managing expectations. And sometimes, even if you do everything right, a client can still turn around and say, you cost them money. Professional liability coverage takes that weight off your shoulders. With Next Insurance, you can add it right to your policy. So you're covered if clients claimed you delivered late, didn't meet the agreement, or made mistakes in your work. That kind of peace of mind is priceless because you can focus on your craft instead of stressing about what ifs. If you want to protect your business and your peace of mind, check out Next Insurance with my link in the description. Adding professional liability takes minutes, and it keeps you safe from the kinds of problems that could end your career.